Hello everyone, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today I will tell you a story. A story about kindness and helping others. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. It is a busy winter morning in downtown London. The street is full of people and noise. I walk fast to work. The air feels cold. Then I see an old lady in front of me. She drops her wallet and a bag of oranges. The oranges roll on the street. The old lady looks worried. People walk past her. Nobody stops. I think about my time. I am late for work. My heart feels heavy. After that, I stop walking. I bend down and pick up the wallet. I pick up the oranges one by one. Finally, I stand up and look at her. Stop here. Let's learn some words together. Look at this word stranger. A stranger is a person you do not know. The old lady is a stranger to me. Look at this word ignore. Ignore means you act like you do not see someone. Many people ignored her. Look at this word kindness. Kindness means helping someone without money. You help because your heart is warm. In English, we say one good deed. A deed is an action. One good action can change a day. The sun feels warm now. The light is soft and golden. I walk closer to the old lady. Excuse me. You dropped this. She looks surprised. She smiles. I give her the wallet. And your oranges. Here. Safe. Are you okay, ma'am? She holds my hand. Her hands feel weak but warm. She thanks me with her eyes. I smile back. It is no problem. Inside my chest feels warm. Her smile is more important than my time. Now let's practice together. If you see someone in trouble, say this. Repeat after me. Excuse me. Do you need help? Let me help you with that. Have a wonderful day. Good job. Now, a small question. What did the lady drop? Was it her keys? Or her wallet and oranges? The answer is B. Her wallet and oranges. In the evening, I sit by the window. The room is quiet. I write in my journal. Kindness is free. It costs nothing, but it gives everything. Today, I feel rich inside. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with someone you love. What about you? What good deed did you do today? Tell me in the comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.